Assalamu alaikum students. Student of 7th class, take out your books. Page number 8. There is a chapter named Light in the Night. Yes students, previously I have read this chapter for you in my previous lecture. So today I am going to explain you as well as give you the summary of this chapter. Now come to the explanation of this chapter. In this chapter, London is discussed in this chapter. Okay, so previously London is a major capital city. Before 1700 century, people would use moonlight. Previously we don't have street lamps or such modern technologies for us to lighten our world. So we are having moonlight. People use burning torch at night for lighting. Street lamps were introduced for people ease. If the moonlight was hidden by clouds, or if the moon was not full or nearly full, there would be no light. When they don't have street lamp, people faced many danger at night. They fell, tripped or injured. Or we can say people also drown if they fell into the water, or they might be attacked by someone, or they might be robbed by someone. If we don't have light, how could we catch the robbers? Roughly we are having 1500 gas lamp were there in 17th century in London, and only 5 people employed to light these lamp at night. Nowadays, as this is the age of modern techniques, or we can say modern technologies, so London is much more modernized now. Modern street lamps are powered by electricity. There are proper we can say electric system. In that way, when we are having sunset, so street light automatically powered on for the people ease. Many link boys used to help the people. In olden days, we are talking about the olden days, many link boys were there. They are doing their job such like that they are helping the people for a small fee. For example, they might be there and holding a burning torch or a lamp with them, and they were walking along ahead of people. In that way, people could see the way or can reach the destination through the dark streets. So student, the whole chapter is about the light in the night, how the people were there when we don't have light or we don't have proper street lamp in olden days, and how many facilities are introduced right now, and how they were facing previously in the ancient time. So this is the explanation of this chapter. Now student, these are the blanks. Link boys had a burning torch or lamp. Torch is the underlined word. Number second, London had so many dash street lamps. Number 3, the lamplighter is underlined, became an important part of society. Number 4, gas lamps were better than the oil lamps. Over here gas lamp is a blank. Number 5, there are 1500 gas lamp in London. 1500 is a blank, student. But student, before writing this, follow my instruction in the end of the lecture, okay? And these are the words and sentences. The first word is enforced, and the sentence is the law was enforced immediately. Second is authorities. She reported it to the authorities. Manufacturing, they are manufacturing TV set in the factory. Number 4, realized. I had not realized what was going on. Vic. Wick means, have you ever seen a lantern? In lantern we are having a thread or string like structure inside the lantern. लालटेन के अंदर जो वाइट कलर का एक धागे की तरह होता है उसको हम विक कहते हैं. So sentence is, an improperly adjusted wick causes smoke or odor. Odor mean smell. Right, students? These are words and sentences. Now, in the next is summary. Summary is, London is a major capital city. At night, it glows brightly. Full stop. Before the 1700th century, people would take advantage of the moonlight and go out. But night time could be dangerous. Full stop. If people wanted to go out at night, comma, they would have to carry a burning torch or a lamp. There were link boys to hold a burning torch or lamp ahead of people so that they could see the way to the dark street. Full stop. Some boys were dishonest and live in the dark. By the early 1700th century, London and Paris had street lamps in some areas. Full stop. Some people started to offer their services as lamplighter. Full stop. By the late 1700th century, London had so many street lamps. Full stop. Many people were employed as lamplighter. Full stop. They became an important part of society. But when gas lamp started to be used, the lamplighter left their jobs. It was not the same anymore. Full stop. Charles Dickens captured his feeling in the story. So this is the, we can say, just a story type chapter, and it is captured by Charles Dickens. Okay, students, what you have to do,